Nintendo will begin selling packages of the neon green/neon pink Joy-Con controllers that were originally included exclusively with the Splatoon 2 limited edition version of the Switch, released last August, as seen by SlashGear. Nintendo announced the news on Friday, and told customers to expect the pair to be available in stores later this month. No price was announced, but it is likely that they will sell for the same $79.99 that other Joy-Con couples cost. Nintendo has not said whether or not to sell the new colors as individual controllers, as it happens with neon red and blue neon colors. Technically, green and pink neon colors were available as independent purchases in Japan and Europe before now, but this is the first time that Switch owners in the US they have been able to pick them up without importing them internationally. The independent versions also have their inverted colors of the pair included with Splatoon 2, allowing the owners of the console to create a set with equal colors if they think it is worth the money.